Just look at this. This is an AI generated video with just a one reference face pic, and even you can create your footages with the help of your just one pic like this. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this videos with the help of new feature in the Hailuo AI. So before that, let's explore some of the new features of the Hailuo AI, and I'm damn sure that this will be helpful to you. So let's start with image to video. So as you can see, we get various models here. Now let me explain you what is the start and end. So basically you have to upload and start pic and end pic here, and the transition from that start pic to the end pic, the video it will be created by the Hailuo AI. So just take an example of ripening of this fruit. I'll upload a start pic of a fresh fruit and end pic of the ripened fruit, and then the transition whole video will be generated by this. But in this video I'm gonna use the basic Hailuo AI one, so we don't need any end pic here. And as you can see, I have entered a basic prompt here and a video have been generated. So basically I have generated three videos. So let's see which one is kind of perfect. So basically the prompt was like an new plant is growing from the apple, and it is kinda okay, but it's not looking that much realistic. Okay, so this was our first outcome, and now let's check for the second outcome. So this is something impressive, you can say. And yes, it's working, right? So basically the more refined your prompt will be, the more refined your outcome will be too. That's the fact. And this is kinda impressing, and it's all fine. Now this was all about the first example. Let's move towards the second example, and I'm damn sure that this one is gonna be crazy. Okay, so let me just upload this pic, and what I'll do is I'll just copy paste the prompt from the ChatGPT. What I'll do is I just explain my imagination and just tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt to feed Hailuo AI based on this imagination, and I just copy paste the prompt here. That's a simple process. And even in the further in this video, I'll show you how you can do it too. So finally our outcome has been generated, and let's check which outcome is hella mind blowing. So no, this was okay, you can say, but it was not that much up to the point, right? Like I suddenly going somewhere and zooming out, that doesn't make sense at all. So let's check at this. Damn, this was impressive. Yes, this is what I exactly wanna. So as you can see, the more refined your prompt will be, the more awesome your output will be, right? So example is in front of you. So you can also try the Hailuo AI. Link is in the description, and this is something useful. Now basically for text to video, let me show you how you can generate prompt to feed Hailuo AI based on your imagination. So just go to ChatGPT and enter the simple prompt. Give me text to video prompt to feed Hailuo AI on the imagination, and just describe your idea. That's enough. Okay, you can even describe it in just few words or few lines, and you are all done. What you have to do is you have to just copy paste this stuff there. Okay, so as you can see, it has given each and everything. Just select whole and just copy paste here, and you're all good to go. So you don't have to just change any of this option. You're all good to go. Just click on generate, each and everything will be generated. Now finally I have generated few of the videos. Now let's see the text to video generations which I have generated. It was all into kinda 2D animation stuff, you can see. So yes, these are the videos generated by Hailuo AI, and these are also perfect, you can say, perfectly created. Like I have included the galaxy here more, and you can see the 2D animation, 2D characteristics animation here. And this was just inspired by the cyberpunk style, and this is also awesome. So you can see you can generate plenty of the videos of your imagination from here, and just keep this thing in your mind. This is the basic model which I'm using. So just imagine how much powerful the advanced and latest model will be. Like I'm using the oldest model here to show you the capability of the Hailuo AI. And just look at this too, it has generated a whole 2D animation cartoonistic video. Even you can generate anything you wanna. Just make sure that you are using my prompt style which I have shown you in this video, and then you are all good to go. Now this was the output, and this will be our last output. Okay, now the best feature of this. And as you can see, I have just uploaded my reference character here. You can also upload any of your pick, it might be yours or your friends or anyone of yours, and just upload the scene prompt in which you want to generate. Okay, now as you can see, I have generated this whole description with the chat gpt. I have told him just like I have shown you recently, and this is the absolute generation. Like, guys, for real, I'm saying this is literally mind blowing. Just look at the action scenario, just look at the clarity. Even though the video is not kinda that much up to point, you can say, but the more refined your prompt will be, the more refined it'll work. Like, you can generate by changing the Hailuo AI model. This is a basic model, and just look at the capability of the basic model, right? Like, it's absolutely impressive. Just look at this video. Each and everything, the expression, the reaction, everything is working. Right now, what we'll do is, let's change the scene. Okay, we'll keep our reference character same, but we'll change the scene, and let's see what will it generates. And just look at this. This was kinda like car chasing scene with a few of the mafia vehicles. And this is also okay, you can say, because I guess the prompt was not that much up to the point here, but still it's looking attractive, right? So this was just one outcome. Let's check for the another outcome which we have generated for the same prompt. And the best thing about it is, as you can see, even though the car is comfortable, but still it's up to the point, right? And this is the third one, the final outcome with the different prompt. And this is something even more than the realistic movie scene. Just look at this. Don't worry, even though the video is can publish, but after you download, your video will be in the clear quality. And even though you can upscale it, how to upscale, you can check it on my channel. I have uploaded the video too. So, well, this much for this video, and I hope this setting is informative as well as helpful for you. We'll meet in the next video.